Let's do it, baby. Okay. This is nice and smooth. There we go. It's nice.
Yo, here's your boy Mr. Shake back with another video, and today I will show you the unboxing of latest flagship smartphone from Samsung, which is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Today I got hands on the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in titanium gray, as you can see that. Okay, so it has 64 gigs of memory in it, and let's see what's new in it and get right into it. Okay, so here's the seal. First unseal it actually. Okay, so opened. Okay, so here's no phone this time on the top, not maybe in the future. Okay, let's see what's in this. Okay, this time you're getting a jelly protective case from Samsung for your device, but it's not the premium, but for free. Okay, so here's a quick start guide for your cell phone, and here's SIM ejector. Okay, so let's see the phone itself from the back side. I want to see a color actually. Okay, the color you can see is on fire and it's look too cool. And the three main new add-ons in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus are a dual camera, dual aperture, and there are AKG speakers in it. Okay, so the color is too good. Let's keep it and dig in more. Okay, so here's old fast charging brick, as you can see it, and USB type C connector, and the it's a connector for ordinary cable. Okay, so these are my favorite earphones. Literally, these are my favorite earphones. The bass though. Okay, so it is lightning cable, of course, and lastly we have extra buds for our earphones. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, subscribe it and comment down below. Thank you.